Uh, this is Dr. Venugopal Rao. Most of the people call me Viramaneni or Dr. Venu, Dr. Rao or Dr. Vastu. The way what they love that they can call me anyway. But usually I put my name is Dr. V or Viramaneni. For my introduction, I'll give the last before question hour. I'll go directly on the subject. Awareness and Vastu for business. Why I use the business? People talk about majority Vastu for residences and bungalows and apartments. And same principles used for the business. It is 100% wrong. Vastu works purpose to purpose. Vastu principles apply based on the purpose. Like a doctors. Doctors also, doctor is not a single doctor. He had 100 varieties of doctors for the different diseases and different problems. If you go to the medical field, if you go to the astrological sciences, there are the variety of branches in astrological sciences. One branch is a Vastu. Even if you take a Vastu, it has applied as per purpose. Our today's purpose to talk about business. Then what is exactly meaning of Vastu? Simple definition in the Vastu, a harmony between people and nature. The science establishes very good harmony between people and nature, that is Vastu. The nature having five elements, every person is a constitution of five elements, and every building construction with the five elements. The nature is consist of the five elements. Our body is the five elements, and our building is the five elements. You need to create a nice harmony between these five elements. Nothing but harmony between the nature and people. The nature and people in between, there is a building where we stay. We should be synchronize elements between nature and people and building. That is simply Vastu. And another word, the manifestation of the energy into the material form. Majorly, if you talk about five elements, space, water, air, fire, earth, these are the five elements exist in the nature. These are the five elements exist in the human body. We need to sync together when you stay, where you stay. That is one definition. Another definition is that how to balance these five elements in building, it's called Vastu. How to balance five elements in body, that's called medicine. If you balance the five elements in your body, that's called a medicine. We call Ayurveda, later it comes to allopathy. Another definition, right activities in right place. What are you doing? What your purpose of doing the particular activity? Then there is a principles, there is a science says that where you need to do that work. There's nothing but right activity in right place. That talks about Vastu. Vastu is not from 30 years or 40 years. Vastu from existing from the human being existed in the across the globe. The day one human being started his life in nature, the Vastu started. The Vastu means how to sync with the nature. The person, a living being on the nature, they started synchronized with the nature. There's where Vastu principles involved. If you go to the books where it is reported first, if you take four Vedas, Rig Veda, Yajurveda, Samaveda, Atharvana Veda. If you take Atharvana Veda, there is a two parts, Upavedas, Stapatya Veda and Ardhashastra. You go to the Stapatya Veda, there we talk about Vastu, knowing of the building sign, that's called Vastu. This comes from the Veda. There are the 19 masters, founders of this Vastu across the universe. Vastu is not written 100 years before, not written in 15 years before. Vastu written in the Puranas, Vastu written in the Agama Shastras. I'm giving small citation to understand. If you take a Matsya Purana, it is reported in the 252 chapter number 252 about Om Vastu, 81 parts Vastu. If you take a Skanda Purana, there are two parts in the Skanda Purana, Maheshwara and Vaishanava Kandam. Then they talk about town construction, temple construction. If you take the Garuda Purana, chapter number 36, 45, 35, 46, 47, 48, they talk about king palace construction. Agni Purana talks about reservoirs and homes and Vastu Chakra. Vastu Chakra is not from the recent days, it is there from the Puranas. Bhavashya Purana, I talk in third chapter, it's talk about introduction of Vastu. What is the Vastu? Similarly, I have the very innocent literature citation, each and every subject in the Vastu. Latest books people use Vishwakarma, Prakashika, Manasara, Samarangana Sutradhar, which are innocent books. Till today, we are using these books for the basic, traditional, and classic principles. If you take the Bharatiya scriptures, Vedas, Smritis, Darshana Shastras, Puranas. In the Vedas, we have the four Vedas: Rigveda, Yajurveda, Samaveda, Atharvana Veda. It has four Vedangas: Vaika, Vyakarana, Jyotisha, Niruktam, Shiksha, Chandas, and Kalpa. If you take this Vedangas, Jyotisha and Vedanga, and you go to the Jyotisha, astrology or fortune telling, this fortune telling or Jyotisha, astrology, whatever the science across the globe, it has a 5 parts: Siddhanta, mathematics, and Shakuna, observations, and Hora, questions, and Prashna, also it come from your questions, and a Samhita, basic science. The basic science of Jyotisha comes from Samhita, where again 8 divisions are there. One of the 8 is a Vastu from the Samhita. If you take a Vastu, Vastu is a major 2, construction and ground, underground. If you go to the construction, there is a 2 things are there: a temple and sculpture, another is the buildings. If you go to the buildings, please, buildings is not for only purpose, need to design residential building and business building. Again, we have the business 3 buildings: corporate building, industrial building, and commercial building. These are the 3 different purposes. Corporate is to set a person to control total his business wherever in across the globe. Industry means the industry where they manufacture in the one site. Commercial building means many corporates come together, many business come together, stay in the same building. It's a commercial. So there is a lot of differences are there in the purpose. So we need to use the principles, the difference depending on the purpose. Residential purpose, stay happily, live happily, with health and wealth and without any problem, with good relationships, with a good harmony between the family members. So this cannot be applied for the business and corporate. Corporate, retention the clients, getting the new client, retaining of employees, and at the end of the day, get the profit. Industry, no flow, nice production, quality production, on-time delivery, that is the industry purpose. If you go to the commercial, every person in the building should be very wealthy and professionally they grow, business they grow, then only the building will get a value. The who is constructed, you get a value, who stays, you get a value. These are the different purposes: residential, commercial, industrial, and corporate. People talk, some of the people talk, this is a science, it's not a science. They talk that this is only the pseudoscience. But as a scientist, I'm a doctor, I'm a scientist. Why I can believe the Vastu? Any science, if you take a computer, if you take any mechanical, architectural, structural, any science, medical, any science you take, any science you take any science, you understand. It has a 5 principles has to follow. Any science has to follow 5 principles, basic principles. That should be rational, that should be practicable, that should be permanent, and any science should run on the principles, and that should be applied universal. These 5 principles applied for any science, the same principle applied for the Vastu. It is a rationally explained, it is a practicable. You can practice Vastu across the globe. It is experimented. Yes, you can do experiment by giving guidance to your clients. Based on the experiment only you can learn and sometimes unlearn if things are not working. That is a practicable, and it is a permanent. Vastu is a permanent. You construct a building, is a permanent. As per principles, you construct a building, you will get a permanent solutions. It is a principled. Each and every Vastu sentence is governed by principles. We follow principles, apply principles to get a building construction. It is a universal. Across the globe, this Vastu can be used like a science, but people may be named differently. If you go to the China, Thailand, Bangkok, Hong Kong, Japan, and Singapore, Malaysia, these people talk about Feng Shui. The Feng Shui, Vastu, it's not different. They are same, but little bit approach is different. They look majorly targeted for the correction and improvement. In our Vastu, two things, the designing part and application part and improvement part. All three can be accumulated in the one science, that is the Indian traditional architecture, nothing but Vastu. You most of the people know that. Architect in Hindi, they called Vastukar. Every architect is a Vastu only, Vastu consultant only. Because in Hindi, our traditional Hindi, they call Vastukar is the architect. But we adopted European science, we adopted Western science, then we change our syllabus to by adopting some sciences and principles. Now we say that we are architects. Yes, we are architects, but don't forget our classics of Indian classics. Our Indian classics, where exactly Vastu principles followed. Then you will be perfect architect or a designer. These are the 5 principles applied in the Vastu. When I want to talk about, there is why we called Vastu. There is a lot of stories about Vastu in the spiritual sciences. I'm not going to touch here. My target is the different today's. The Vastu means it has a combination of 45 divine powers. Each and every divine power gives very good positive or negative energy to the house. How you are going to use that, utilize the space. How you are going to utilize the space, depending on that, you will have the perfect result from your house. This is called Vastu Purusha Mandal. Majority of our culture, people use the 81 parts of Vastu Purusha. It can be 64, it can be 100, but now majority people talk about 81 Vastu Purusha Mandal, what I use for my clients regularly. Then, before going to the science, I can talk a minute about what are the 5 elements, what is related with the Vastu. I was mentioning that Vastu is nothing but balancing of Panchabhutas, 5 elements. Nothing but balancing of 5 elements. Each element has its own role with other 4 elements. I'm taking a water an example for your information. A water element which gives air, once it evaporates, that air get a fire. For air gives a fire, it creates a fire. Once it's a fire happened, the leftover as whatever the creates earth crust goes up, that goes space, and space as a clouds, it melts, give the water. That is nice called a cycle of creation. All elements is created this way. Then should not be in balance. If one element is imbalanced, then some other elements support that to not to imbalance. For example, if there is extra fire, immediately water take action to control the fire. Extra space, the fire take action towards control the space. Similarly, if air controlled by space and earth controlled by the air, the same similarly, water is there, we can use the earth to control the water. Similarly, each and every element has a relation with the 4 of other elements. The way it will synchronize together and balance together to give the best result. How we can apply Vastu? I can take 2 examples here to explain in the business point of view. Any element has a colors, equivalent colors. If I take a water blue color, air green color, fire red color, earth yellow color, space is off white or cream color. If the person using blue color in the fire area, usually we say about fire area is the southeast or south of southeast. If we are using the blue color in the south area, what happens? What is the blue? Nothing but a water. Blue, nothing but a water, which we are using at fire area. When water put on the fire area, the fire get a controls, means the fire element is reduced because of the blue color. When the fire element is reduced, the fire element gives us money, gives us managing the money, gives us the confidence, gives us a fame. These 3 things will damage in your business. If you use the blue color in the south area, southern area, southeast, south of southeast or south. Similarly, I can go to the southwest, that may be southwest, that is earthy area. If that earth is controlled by air, earth is controlled by air, air is green color. If you have a green color in your office corner, if your office southwest cabin, there is a green color, immediately the first things happen. You will lose your skills, you lose your skills and a relationship with your senior people. Then you feel alone. You feel that I am unable to do anything. I am worthless. The feeling you start it because earth has a quality of the skills, earth has a quality of relationships, earth has a quality of the patience. You lose all three things if there is a green color in the earth. Similarly, that each and every element has its own story. It is not time to talk, elaborate on that. Now I am talking about directions. Now we understand what is the Vastu, where it is generated, how it is connected with the five elements. Now I am talking about the directions. My friends, directions are not 8, they are 16. How to find them? If you take a square building, very easy. But if you see the top east, 4 corners, you understand very well. If it is a rectangle building, it is, you say same thing, corners are southeast or southwest. If it is the rectangle, if you take square, the both rectangles, wherever you see corners are southeast or northeast, that where you are doing blunder mistake in our Vastu. It is not like that. Directions are depending on length and width of the house and true north. It is a depending on length, width and true north. Then only understand directions. How to find them, I'll give a small, a little bit explanation. If you take a east, east is a sun. Sun is in the 90 degrees. Sun is in the 90 degrees yearly twice, only yearly 2 days. He takes right side 3 months, come back in 3 months. It's called Dakshinayana. It is 6 months time, it will be in the right side. And the 6 months time in the left side, it is called Uttarayana. That is not only Vastu, we call it astronomy and space science, and every science agree that sun takes a moment of left and right from the center of 90 degrees. That whatever the sun shadow fall in that building, that's called east. How much east is fall in your building, you need to take a measurement. It is a take 11.25 degrees left, 11.25 degrees right. It is equal to 22.5 degrees. It is east only 22.5 degrees from the center of your house. It is only 22.5 degrees, but in the center of any building is the 360 degrees. If you divide 360 degrees by 22.5 degrees, it is 16. Means the similar, like east, there are 16 parts in our house, in our office, in our building. You need to understand what are the 16. These are the 16 parts in any building are there. If it is a square, it is right. Northeast is right, southeast is right, southwest is right. But if it is a rectangle, it changes direction. Apart from that, if the degrees, 90 degrees, it is not exactly east 90, then all direction get a changes. Your southeast changed, northeast is changed. Similarly, if there east is tilted a little bit right side, your all 16 directions get a change. So you need to understand we are not exactly following as per the directions. Architect understand if rectangular, the square or anything, he considered 4 directions, 8 directions. But here you need to understand, my friends, it is not only depending on the rectangular square, it is also depending on how many degrees is tilted. Based on that, your all direction get changed. Then you need to allocate right activity in right place to get the best result. Similarly, if you go to the entrances also you need to divide 32 parts. Each and every part should be equal. This rectangle building, it is not equal. So we need to make equal means when the sun take right and left 11.25 degrees, you divide by 360 degrees, you will get 32 parts. This is called 32 divisions from the center of the house. This consider a probabilities of entrance locations. Out of these 32 probabilities, we have the 11 probabilities are best probabilities to walk through, come in or go out for your office or building or industry. It is not easy to understand to find exactly 32 divisions. That is the reason you should have a Vastu expert with you whenever you do any construction or correction. This is the way entrances are getting. Now I'm going to the business point of view. Before business point, I want to talk about 16 directions. Now, the 16 directions, I'll explain what are the attributes, what are the characters of the directions. If you know the character or attribute of the direction, now you understand how to allocate your activity in that particular direction in your business, in your office. My today talk only the targeting business. I'm not talking anything about the residents. Okay. If you take East Social Association, it connect with the government, it connect with the social society, connect with the clients also through society, through references. And East of Southeast, anxiety and churning. You are more tension if you use this place. You think more than what you're supposed to be. And a Southeast, it gives money. What money? It gives liquid money. The grow of the liquid money, and it is a place to understand where you invest your money to grow further. That is the Southeast. And come to the south of Southeast, power and a confidence. What is the power and confidence? You get a more power and confidence if your this location is very good in your building. Should not be any washroom, should not be any color of blue color here. Then you are comfortable, you have the good confidence on your business, you have the control on your business. Your south gives fame and relaxation. If you have the good business, if you have the good power, good confidence, good name, you always relax. That you get from the south. Then south of Southwest, it is the area called disposal area. Whatever you do here, it get disposed out. If you could sit here, do some work, you will not get a result. If you sit here, write some signatures or doing some tenders, you will not get tenders. If you sit here and talk to client, you over the phone or personally or virtually, you will not get a clients. That is area called disposal. You cannot do any activity here except disposal activities. The disposal activity is nothing but a toilet here. Then Southwest is the creativity and relationship. You should have the skills and creativity in your business, and you should maintain good relationship with your partners, your senior employees, next clients. That comes from Southwest. And west of Southwest, it gives education and saving. Education of your management, your marketing team, and how to save the money means how to minimize expenditure against your effort, against your business expectations. That comes from west of Southwest. Then come to west. That's more targeted area is any business. End of the day, end of the month, end of the year, you need a profit and margin. So owner can sit here and control everything. He will be very perfect, profitable in his business. Next comes to the depression and detoxification. If you use this place, you are always tension. Your employee will not stay with you. He will not do perfect job for you. You should try to avoid this area. Next, come to the Northwest. This is called supporting and banking. You need a loan, you will get a loan. Also, you can repay very nicely without any effect. Or you get a support from your directors, your senior employees, if Northwest is good. Then north of Northwest, it is given for the residential section attraction. Here is the business attraction and affection. This actually attraction of your clients, this location. And come to the north, it is the opportunity to generate a business from the north. Your clients, your leads, your marketing, sales, everything happens through north. North should be very perfect. And coming to the north of Northeast, it creates health and immunity. In your business, competition. In your business, winning, because health is a wealth. Wealth comes from winning against your competitor, winning heart of your competitor mind and collaborate and complement each other. You are expert in the north of Northeast is fine. You feel that no competitor, you feel that everybody complement each other and collaborate your work. And Northeast, it is a clarity in mind. You should be very clear in your mind. Your Northeast is very good. Your ambiguity, your uncertainty, yes, you lost your Northeast. Something went wrong in the Northeast. You are everything, but you should have the creation also in your business. Otherwise, you feel a mechanical life. Your employees should feel fun sometimes. Then they work well. That east of northeast will give the recreation and fun. How to accommodate these things to into the as a business? If I am taking a north, what is the north gives money and opportunities where directors, marketing, sourcing, store, client can be sit here. North of northeast, health and immunity, HR, PR, reception, waiting area can be there. Northeast, clarity in mind. When clarity in mind should be planning department, HR team to recruit the right persons, and reception to receive the person with a good harmony, and waiting area, your client or visitor should be very comfortable in that area. East of northeast, it good for the client waiting, and PR, no employee, because this area fun. Employee should not feel fun when he's working at office. He can feel the fun once he is done in the work. So you cannot sit an employee in this area. In the East, social association, you need administration, licensing officers, sales team, and HR team to find the right person, admin to collaborate, licensing with the coordinate with the government and licensing, and also bureaucrats. Then east of south is churning area. It can be stores or toilet, no meeting at all. And southeast, file, liquid cash, where you get accounts and finance. Accounts could be good. South of southeast, power and confident.
Huh?
South of southeast, fire and power and confidence. Accounts, pantry, meeting rooms. You will get a good confidence even meetings. You get a good suggestion from your members, fellow members in the meeting. Then go to the south, relax and fame. Put a marketing team, sales team, finance team, accountant, and dining. It is at south. South of southwest, as I mentioned, it is expenditure and disposal area. Only toilet, waste storage, dustbins can be placed. No employee can be sit here. And southwest, it creates good relationships and skills. And MD, CEO, director, R&D, and production head. I want to add a word here. Owner cannot not necessarily sit at southwest, because owner is a person is invested money, is expecting returns on his money. He can sit in the west. Well, if it is a owner himself a skilled person, then only can sit at southwest. Owner can hire the skilled person, maybe CEO, COO, CFO, whoever it may be, he can sit at southwest. But owner is not a skilled person. Owner only you put a money, he can sit at west. Then you can control total system. And west of southwest, bank documents and director cabin. And west, MD, CEO, management and finance, important documents. And west of northwest, depression zone. When the depression zone is there, you need to dispose the depression. You can put a toilets or waste storage. No employees, it can be sit here. Northwest, banking support, accounts, coordination team, and managers, project managers, and delivery managers can be seated bank northwest. North of northwest, love and affection. Here you need to put a marketing material and sample display. No employee can sit here. Only you put a cafeteria or marketing material sample display. If employee can sit in this area, they misuse of their time, they waste of their time, they won't put a concentration. And you ask me the question, which side I can face my place, towards which side I can face my face. C level, you know the C level, CEO, CFO, CTO, COO, CMO, whoever it may be. The C level employees are very important. First owners is the investor or establisher or the founder of the company or a business. He can sit west. The C level, who are the control total business, coordinate the business, he can sit west or southwest. Facing always east is a preference. Next is north. Receptionist sit at northeast, north of northeast, east of northeast, and face always east, west, north, south. Operation manager, good place is west or east. Admin, east or west. HR, northeast or north of northeast. North or east. Salesperson always sit in the east is good. Marketing south, accounts in southeast. R&D team always north to northeast, which location is good. Process team north to northwest, west and south, west or south of southeast. It is good for the process team. PR, public relation, they can sit northeast. And planning team always northeast. Production team, southwest. The way planning northeast, because northeast is gives clarity in mind. Production, if they need not any clarity, they already clarity got from the R&D. They need to implement in the production. They need a skills to implement. So skill set southwest. Many of you know, I am not only the Vastu consultant. I work as R&D director, R&D head, production head, marketing head, and program head. 21 years in the industry. So I know each and every activity, job description, how it works in industry and corporates. Where I blessed to work 21 years industry, 20 years research of Vastu, astrology. So altogether, I can able to help you to give the best knowledge out of the world. Then if you go to the office, usually first office Vastu is different from others. Office, your some qualities need to understand office. Any building, shape of the building, size of the building, reception area, how the location of the power, Brahmastan, place of business promotion area, main entrance, door location. These are the key activities can be seen in office. These are the direction you can use in office activities. Industry is quite different from office. Industry is a production area, office is a management area. In the production area, first shape of the factory, location of the main gate. There is the industry has the option of 2 to 3 entrance. Main gate, employee entry, goods entry. There can be 2 to 3 entrances. It's important to understand where can be these 3 entrances. 2 entrances or 3. Slope is important to the water level, and the beams and pillars and the basement in that. And industry roads are very important. And heavy machinery, how you can accommodate. Location of the owner or director or CEO in the office. Production head is important in the industry. Admin within the industry is important. A small team of the people controls total process of the industry manufacturing. And the key is the industry, the raw material entry, raw material storage, and another semi and finished goods and products. Here is important, the total process starts from the raw material and the final products. How to process, this can be not up, these are the different principles need to use in industrial Vastu. You cannot use the same what use for your office, what you can use for your home. That's the reason it's very different. These are the direction can accommodate these activities. Then you go to the hospital. Your doctors are here, some of the doctors, you know that hospitals are a quite different systems from other businesses. If you have industry, you need a retention of the client. If you have corporate office, you need the retention of the client. Here hospital quite different, no retention of the client. Client has to get a referrals, no retention. Because client is a patient, he has to come to the hospital for his recovery. He has to recover very fast, go back. He should be very comfortable with hospital services. Then he will be referring his relatives and friends to go and see the hospital. So hospital Vastu need to be created different way than other Vastu. If you go to the office, any industry, I put a plan as I need to retain my clients. Here in hospital, retention of the clients is not important here. Referring of the clients from the client is important. Similarly, your activities are very different in hospitals. Administration, particular administration, OP, operation theaters. These are the important things in the operation hospitals when you want to do hospitals. And security room, patient room, medical room, water boring, parking area, underground water tank, overhead water tank. This is very important in hospital, particular ICU location. The patient come to ICU, he has to recover very fast. He need not go to the IP. He has to come out, discharge from ICU. The way you can design ICU room. Yes, any hospital, yes, they look for the money because they invested crores of rupees. They invested money on the doctors. But apart from that, everybody look into the recovery of the patients, the first priority. The first priority recovery of the patients. They should be very healthy, go out with healthy. So that person will go out and talk about our hospital. Then only we get a good fame. You need to create atmosphere such a way that hospital. If you go to the any hotels and restaurants, if you go to the hotels and restaurant, my friends, again, it is here we need to retention and referrals. Both should be important in the hotel business. And hotel and restaurant, again, different principles used. Hotel, they can stay and enjoy and go. In the restaurant, they have to come, they eat and enjoy. How much they eat, that is converted into the business. For example, the person come to hotel, restaurant to have some food. Person, unknowingly, he has to take more food. For example, we design a restaurant where the person sit continuously order the food. Even you don't know how much he eats. That we design a la carte section. If the hotel a la carte section come into that area, the person order starters, too much starters, and he will enjoy his food. Same time, our management, hotel management enjoy. Starters pays lot of money to the hotel. If the hotel started a buffet, then we need to redesign the location of the buffet location where the person take a more liquids than the solid food. But you are not cheating any client here. The client happiness important. You take a more liquids and ice creams and water, startup drinks. You will be very happy. Oh, very tasty food. We are ending with the tasty client happiness. But here we are saving our client. Our client is the hotel here. His client is who is coming to the hotel. We need to design such a way that in the restaurants. And you go to the shop. The shop is important here. What items you are selling in the shop, where can be displayed, which can be attracted by the walk-in clients. Which item is giving more money to you? That is important. We can place that particular item in one place, which is sell just like that, you get a more money. Apart from that, we have some mundane items, which you are not getting any profit, even though you maintain, because the person comes from the small item, he will buy the big item. Big item means which you get a more profit. The way we need to design the shop. You cannot apply the same thing in another business. And a commercial buildings. The commercial buildings, lease or rent has to go just like that. When building construction, before finishing the building construction, you need to sell out or lease out or rent out. Then the person is occupied, he has to continue to stay years together with his business growth. The way we need to design commercial buildings, not only the elevation and aesthetics, inside activities are very much important in any commercial building vastu. If you go to the industries, educational institutions, it is quite different. Whatever you studied just now, hospitals or restaurants, industry, commercial, is educational institutions. Here, no student can be retained with us. The student will bring the more students to the institute. The way you need to create atmosphere. The student has to go launching pad. The institute should be launching pad for the students to go for his higher education with very good motivational and very good knowledge. The way you put admin, the way you put administration staff, the way you put a classrooms, the way you put in the interior and exterior colors are important in your design the education institutions. And I'm going to the banks. Now you may be asking how the bank persons they will not ask Vastu consultation. They are asking, for example, particular bank manager want to start a new branch, is asking why not? Vastu can be where how the client reception area, how to attract the clients, how to attract the deposits from the clients, how to retention the clients, and how to dispose loans without any problems to our clients, which is a major important in the bank. Apart from that, where can be locker location, where can be reception location, where can be the cash counters, which direction they can face in the cash counters to get a more money from the deposit side, from the depositors. That's a major into the bank sector. It is a quite different in the banks compared to others. And marriage hall, any function hall. This also again in the different activities goes there. Should be once they get a marriage, they should be very comfortable. Each and every guest is a referral person. Each and every guest attended the marriage. That hall should be very good ambience, very good creation as per Vastu principles. Then one marriage, maybe two people get a marriage, but 1,000 people visit the function hall. They recommend to others, hey, very good function hall. They arrange very nice way. The parking is good. The stage is good. The kitchen dining is good. Why they say good? If you put everything as per Vastu, people get connected with that energy levels of the function hall, marriage hall. They get 1,000 referrals from each and every function. That's the way you can work it on the marriage halls. Cinema halls also similarly, auditoriums. Then I'm taking one example how we work it. Take one corporate office, divide into the 16 directions. We know each and every direction how it works. Allocate activities based on the direction attribute. Activities and attributes should be synced and design the office. You will get the best results. This is one of the corporate office I designed in the Chennai, India's topmost richest person's corporate office in South India. This another office, how I designed, you can see this one example. Now we can see the directions here. Where is the entrance? After the staircase, entrance has come the north exactly. Where is the washrooms has come? Can you check the washrooms has come? Two washrooms I give the west of northwest, W and W means west of northwest. It is a area of depression. If I put two toilets there, the toilet purpose is the depression disposal. Then I put a depression location. The depression get disposed out. This office works best. The person I put that majorly sitting in the client's southwest, the owner can be sit. Similarly, I allocated the people in the office. This is the one example. It is not easy to understand in the 30 minutes or 60 minutes or 3 days or 4 days. To get some awareness how big is Vastu, it's not simple thing to understand when you go for the business. Now I'm giving very nice, very interesting subject now, very interesting subject you get now for next 30 minutes. Now, when you choose office, people call me, which direction is suitable? My birth star is this, my partner birth star is this, my date of birth is this, which direction I can take office? Please, any office, it is not connected with your birth star or birth date. It is connected with your name, first letters of your name. Please, your office, facing of your office is connected with your first letter of your name. First letter of your name. That is very much important. See, our science very nicely explained. They divided into 8 parts of all letters, 8 groups, each group assigned to one direction. That is their own direction. The way we'll get every alternate direction, suitable direction for us. How it can be verified, I can able to explain next. This is the way A to, it is not English letters, it is our Indian letters. Any language, we have the 54 or 56 letters, all the letters accommodated in the 8 groups. Then I'm going to just rush through that out. If I take A, E, O, I, your name starts with A, E, O, I. Your very suitable direction is the east, south, northwest, and north. You cannot take a northeast direction whose name starts A, E, O, I. Most of Indians, particularly South Indians, they feel that northeast is good. Even some of North Indian friends says Northeast is good. Please, nothing is good for everybody. It is suitable for based on their name. For the person who starts whose name start A, E, O, I, you cannot have the office at Northeast. Please, you cannot have industry at Northeast. It is equal to the death. You lose lot of money. That's very important. The East is best, and South is the best, and Northwest is best, and North is best. Then I'm going to, you may be heard about earlier all these things, just I'm explaining to my friends, your fellow business friends. If I take the Ka, it's a group of the Ka, Ga, Gna. East, not at all good for them. Northeast is very good for them. Southeast is very good. Southwest is really good. And North is good. Please do understand, based on your names, where it shoots. And if I start with a Cha, Ja, Cha, Cha, Ja, Ja, Na, these letters, whose letter starts with these letters, whose name starts with these letters, for them, East, South, West, and Northeast, these are the good. For them, North, not at all good. Some real estate brokers, agents, having off knowledge, they insist us to buy Northeast or North or East, where you put a more money compared to other directions, because you feel that is a very good location. Please, my friends, always look your name and direction, then it see, you can apply yourself, you can go and see your letter, your office direction, then you surely understand that what is the result from here. I go to the Da, who name starts these letters. For them, North, Northeast, South, and West, these are the not at all good directions. The rest are fine. Another one, Da, Na. If you take these letters, particularly for them, East is bad, Northeast is bad. For them, South is good, Southeast is good, West is good, and North is good. For explanation purpose, I given very clearly in the bottom of each slide how it can be. Southeast means 2 roads, Southwest 2 roads, how it can be to understand, I give you. Then I go to the Pa, Ba. These are the letters. Whose letters? These are the letters. For them, South, Southwest, Northwest, and Northeast. These are the location directions are good. Ya, Ra, La, Va. Ya, Ra, La, Va. These are the letters. East, Southwest, West, and North are the very good place to have your office or industry, your building. It may be rented, it may be leased, it may be owned. Because you are paying the rent, you are the owner. You are taking lease, you are the owner. And if you are the owner, there is no doubt you are the owner. You need to consider the things when you choose your office in future. If your office you are comfortable now, you know, worry about all that. Last comes into the Sa, Ha. For them, Southeast is good, West, Northwest, Northeast. These are the. You must understand now. Every person, only the 4 directions are good. Now, when you want to go to your house, or when you want to invest, your commercial building is constructing, you want to invest in your money into the commercial building, then you want to lease out, rent out later. Then you need to decide which direction building I can buy. Now, another way you need to understand, when you go for the residential building, you need to understand 2 things. You want to invest or you want to stay. Stay, invest, both are different. Stay means you stay with your family. It should be suitable for you and your wife. Investment, you are looking for appreciation. What you need to do looking for appreciation? Which name is a suitable particular area to invest the money to get appreciation is important. You are investing on the business name, take the first letter of your business name is important, you invest the money. You want to start office, to take your name and your business name combinedly and check your office is right or not. How to check it? This is a slide you can understand from here. This is a slide explains very nicely. I take a minute and explain here. Left side, you can see the letters. Top, you can see the directions. All green color shadows are acceptable directions. If I take A for Ajay, for example, if I take A for Ajay and C for Charan, if they want to start a business or their wife and husband, they can buy. Ajay has a 4 options: east, south, northwest, and north. And Charan has a 4 options: east, south, west, and northeast. Now, Ajay cannot buy northeast, but Charan can buy the northeast. What can we do? If they want to invest, they can invest on Charan name on the northeast, but they cannot buy for their house. Their house can be only east or south. Only the, just check it. Ajay, east is good. Charan, east is good. And both of them south is good. Only these 2 directions only they can construct their house or their office, their industry, that growth very nicely. Please do understand, when you want to apply Vastu principles, it is not a pseudoscience. It is very calculated by our Rishis. It is there in our Vedas. Everything we are living on Vedas, what they taught us ancient days and in our classics, we are now classically learning. We are applying an advanced days from classic science. Do understand. Now I'm taking another way. Now we understand one. I'll take one example. Who left your just wave your hand, then I can take one example to explain here. I need to see how many. Wave hand means not shake your hand. As in the, go to the participant list, wave your hand. Then I can call you, then I'll take your question for giving clarification. I'll take one question from here. Who is ready? And Ishani Bindra, you can unmute and ask the question. Dr. Ishani, you can unmute and ask the question.
Yes, can you hear?
Yes, please go ahead. What is your question?
So if I want to, in future, I want to purchase my own clinic. Okay. So which is the best direction for me then?
Here, 2 things. One thing is your clinic name. You have some name in your clinic, right?
Yes.
What is your clinic name? Just for example, tell me what you want to put your clinic name.
Like Ishani's Dental Clinic.
So your name same, you want to use the same name, right?
Yes.
Then you can see AEIOI. AEOI. I comes right here.
Yes.
Take east or south or northwest or north. Any direction of these 4 only you can choose your office, your dental clinic. Or
okay,
you want to start different name, tell some other name.
For example, Bindra's Dental Clinic.
Yes, Bindra's. Where is the B? You can see now it changes totally story.
Okay. So depending upon the first letter.
See, first letter Ba comes here into the 3rd from the top, bottom, 3rd from the bottom, right?
Right.
Then you can get a south is the best. See, I matches south and B matches south. You observe?
Yes.
Then northwest. B match northwest, north, and I matches northwest. Only these 2 directions are suitable to have your Bindra's clinic.
Okay.
You are clear? Everybody need to look that way when you start your business. Okay?
Okay.
Yes, that's, thank you.
Thank you.
Now I'm taking another nice science for you. Maybe you must have heard earlier or not, but you are learning something new thing here. Now Ishani stays some place in the Nagpur. Nagpur is a very big town. She wants to start the clinic. She is looking for some different locations for the clinic. Now she can understand which location can be suitable for her. She knows which direction now is suitable for her. Now she need to understand which location is suitable for her. Everybody can look that way. If I want to start my franchisee, I want to start my branch, or I want to start my new business, then I need to choose the which town is suitable for me. That is also, it is there very clearly in our Vastu sciences. Ancient days, olden days, the people travel for the business countries to countries and state to states. The reason they take the guidance of their priest or their masters when they travel across other towns, which town is suitable for them. If the town is not suitable, they reallocate the place for the business to grow. Yet the business people to understand very nicely which town is suitable for them. Here, everything, please, my friends, everything works on your name, first letter of name. You don't worry about your birth star. The reason everybody doesn't have a birth star because they don't know when they've taken birth. But 100% people have their birth star, a name star. Everybody has a name. You can follow the name instead of birth star. That's the reason we follow only name when you talk about business. See, how to check it? Take your moon sign. Take your moon sign based on your name. Take your moon sign based on your name. Take your village moon sign or town moon sign, area moon sign, compare it, count it. If it is 2, 5, 9, 11, it is happy life. 2, 5, 9, 11, 2, 5, 10, 11, only the good for you. I am going to give very nice year chart for you all. You can see here, for example, person in the Aries can stay, can start business, can reallocate his house, he relocate his business, he construct new building, he can start new industry. This is the way you can check it. You are, for example, Aries, it is suitable Taurus, Leo, Sagittarius, Capricorn, and Aquarius. I'll take one question from someone who is waving hand. Who is a professionally waving and not write any chart box, please. I cannot see in the chart box while presenting to the people. Wave your hand, then I can able to call you. Then I'll take one example to explain how to check it. Swami Reddy. Unmute Swami Reddy. Ask me the question. Adagandi. Hello? Let's just, I need to skip to someone else. Immediately ask the question.
Can I?
Yes, Chandrasekhar, ask the question.
Yes, sir. Like example, ఇప్పుడు మనకి మీరు చెప్పినట్టుగా.
Please talk in English. Only few Telugu people. Most of the people, they don't know Telugu.
Okay. As you said, name on the first letter and name on the business letter also we have to take or not?
You need to take only your name versus the location. Here I am talking about location.
Okay.
Yeah, Chandrasekhar, you come into the Aries.
Yes, sir. Yes, Chandrasekhar. Yeah.
You come into the Aries. Chandrasekhar, yes, come into the Aries. Where you are doing your business?
Warangal. Right now, Warangal.
Just say the Warangal.
Yeah.
What is the Warangal? That is comes into the Taurus.
Okay.
Warangal comes to the Taurus.
Yes, sir.
You are doing good business. You know, don't worry about your business.
Thank you.
It is only suitable for you, Warangal.
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay. Wave hands from the only as per. Go to the participant list and you can put a wave symbol. I take a Shivani Jammu. Jammu, please ask me the question. Unmute and ask the quick question.
Yes. So my name is Shivani and I am working in Jammu.
No,
So
no. Jammu is a very big town. You need to take a place, a surrounding area.
Bhagwati Nagar.
Bhagavati Nagar. Your name is Shivani.
Yes.
What Shivani means? Do you know what is your star? As per Shivani, you don't know, right?
No.
You are
No.
in the species
Okay.
last, and Bhagavati Nagar, right?
Yes.
Bhagavati Nagar, it come to the Sagittarius. You are working good place.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, you need to connect. You okay? Then
Yes.
I'll go to the next one more question. I'll take Ravi Kumar.
Yeah, my name is
Ra-
Ravi Kumar
uh,
from Vijayawada, Mogalrajpuram.
I'm sorry, Mogal Rajpuram. Ravi,
Vijayawada.
it
Yeah.
comes to you are into the Libra.
Okay.
Mogal Rajpuram to come to the Leo. You are doing good business. You are comfortable place.
Thank you. Thank you.
See, you are into Libra, Ravi. R comes Libra.
Okay.
Then your Mogal Rajapuram comes into the Leo. Can you see here Libra versus Leo?
Yeah.
Simple, right?
Yep.
Then I gave little more detail. You don't worry. Now you can see the name, letters versus you can see yourself. Letters versus, I'll take in this page, whoever is this page, ask me the question. This page means whoever is this list of the names. Aries, Taurus, Gemini, Cancer. Anyone in this starting letter, this one, I'll take a question.
Yeah, I am Dibjit. You can take my. I am Cancer.
You are Cancer. It is,
Yeah.
then where is your town, sir?
My town is Silvassa.
Silvassa.
Yeah.
Silvassa, anything you can see the top? No, right?
No.
Now you can see? No.
No.
Now you can see Silvassa. It is seen, you can see very carefully. Silvassa. Your name?
My name is Dibjit Datta.
Devjit. Okay. That comes into the very last one pieces. Just I'll show 1 week.
Yeah,
We are
it's
in the last, right? And
yes.
your place is the Silvassa.
It's come in the Aquarius.
Aquarius. Health issues. Your business is the good, but you are not comfortable in health point of view. You always tension. Something happens, you're in business.
Okay.
That is not good compatible place to do your continue to your business. If you are comfortable, go ahead with that. But if you feel any health related problems, particularly your employees for you, then you can think about your business changing the place.
Okay.
You are clear? Yeah, this is option 1. I'll give the very simple option, other option also. I'll give another option to everyone. This is the way one option you can take letters of your name versus letters of your town where you stay. Town not Hyderabad, not Delhi, Chennai. You need to take your area location. Your location, because Chennai, if you take Hyderabad equal to 4 countries in the Europe. You will take your location only.
Doctor, you can give the example of Dvitiya name also. Dvitiya name. You can give the example of Dvitiya name, like me, Prashant.
Prashant means R always.
Yeah. That's what I'm saying. Like
yes, Sridevi is R. Sridevi need to check the R, Libra.
Yeah.
Sridevi need to check R. Where is your office? Where is your
office is in Musapet.
Musapet means it comes into the Leo. You need to check that the way R versus you are into the Libra and Leo. It is a good place.
Musapet is a good place for me.
Yes.
Thank you.
The way you need to check it.
Okay.
This I have some another option also for you to calculate very simple way. Now method 2. This also follows many people. Earlier one, only the who believes astrology, they follow. This is astrology plus numerology. Who believes this is the method. Take all letters, all our letters, our Indian letters, give the numbers. Check your letter number, and town letter number. First you put your number and second you put a town number divided by 8. Similarly reverse it, divided by 8. If your name, letter, numbers gives the higher number, that place is suitable for you. Don't get confused. Now you can check here. Now you can check everyone here. I am taking my example. My name is Venugopal Rao. Va comes into the 45. Yes. Then I state Maulali. It comes to the Ma comes into the 41. So I take a 45, 41 divided by 8. My remainder is 5. Only you need to check a remainder. My remainder is 5. But I reverse it. Means that indicates, am I suitable at Maulali? Yes, at coming 5. Then is Maulali, when you work with a Maulali's come to 41 and my name is a 45. It comes 41, 45 divided by 8. That comes into remainder 1. Always first remainder should be higher than the second remainder. Then that area works better. I'll take one example. Who are ready? Just I want to see who is waving your hand. Who is the next person? Wave your hand. I can just take a question to explain in detail. Don't get confused. Something we are. Who is the next person? Anybody? Yes, Rajya Lakshmi. Right, Rajya Lakshmi. Unmute. Can you unmute? Unmute. You are now you mute. Rajya Lakshmi garu, unmute. Yes, please. Ask me the question. You don't have your earphones or something. You are not audible.
Okay. Naresh.
Naresh, yes, go ahead, Naresh. Naresh,
Okay.
yeah, Naresh,
Yes.
N comes here. What is the number for N? N 36, right? Can you see the 36?
Okay. 36, yes. No, 36.
No, it's 36. Where you stay?
Port Elizabeth, Humewood with the H, Humewood, Port Elizabeth, the area Humewood.
H, right?
36, yes.
Yes, where is H?
Where we got there? What number is it?
H, 49.
49, okay.
36, 49 and 49, 36.
Okay.
First, you put your number 36 and H is 49. Right?
Okay.
Then again, you put a 49 your town and put your number divided by 8 and check the what is the remainder. What left over the remainder? Your calculator, no, it cannot be calculator. You need to do manually, then only you can get a remainder.
Okay.
You know, the remainder calculator is different. Go to the Google and type, just ask for the remainder, it will give that.
To remember.
Quickly, you can do that.
Don't have my, it's not working. Okay. Okay, but I'll work it out. Okay.
Yeah, 8. Your remainder is 1. First remainder is 1.
1. Okay.
First remainder is 1. Okay.
Yes, 1.
Yeah, second remainder you need to reverse it. 49 and 36, right?
Okay. 46.
49, 36.
49, 36.
Yeah, remainder is 0.
Okay.
So
it's 1 and 0 is 1. 1 and 0 is 1.
See, first remainder is 1, second remainder is 0, means the first remainder is a higher value. So your your office are staying in the right place.
Number one. Okay, good.
Yes, you got it?
Yes.
Everyone can calculate for your place from this list.
Yes.
And before moving to
Hello, sir.
further, I'll take another question. Please, who is that?
Rakesh Sharma, sir.
Rakesh. Yeah, please.
Sir, my name is Rakesh. So it is 43.
Okay.
I am working at Cuttack.
Cuttack is a very big town, Sarji.
Acha.
Where is your town? Don't take a big town. Your area location.
My office address.
Yes, yes.
It is CDA.
What is the CDA means?
Cuttack Development Authority. One area they have developed it, and they
Okay,
have named
okay. You
it
call
like
CDA.
CDA.
CDA. Where is the C
The
comes? C. Where is the C coming here?
C.
Cha.
Okay.
Where is it? 22.
22 cha.
Your is the
Cha
43.
or
Yeah. Your
43, 22.
Yes. Then 22, 43. Divided by 8. First you can put a 42. Please write 43, 22 by 8. Okay.
Correct. Okay.
And write 22, 43 by 8, which is a major. You can see that.
Okay.
The way you need to look into that, you can get your number.
Okay. If
Just wait.
if it is negative, like
you
then
you know that if it is negative, you know how the business is going. Not necessary to understand. You understand that how the business is going.
okay. So in that case, one should relocate the office place.
Yes, it is a negative only. It is a negative only. The first remainder is 2, second remainder is 3 for you.
Okay.
It is not that great doing. You are doing business, but it's not great. Financially, you are not doing great in your business in this location. Okay.
Okay.
Right.
Thank you.
Yeah, you are clear now. Here I am using our Indian science as well as numerology combinedly, giving good idea about finding the best place to work. Whatever I discussed about Vastu for the business, how the directions are there, how the directions attributes are there, each and every attribute, how to utilize the place for your office. Apart from that, when you choose office, what is the science you need to use? And finally, I take 5 minutes to talk. I'll give 30 minutes of time to ask the questions. Everyone, please stay back. Don't leave. Because one question can understand by everyone. One question can teach you rest of the lot of things to others. Okay, I'll give the time. I'm going to have the very, very, very nice information, which is my own research. After this slide, I'll go and explain my own research, how to do something in the business. This another is not my research. It is there in the science. This particular slide, please understand days versus directions, days versus colors. When you want to go to the business meeting, you need to choose your client office location from your house. Then what day you can take appointment, you can fix it. For example, Monday, you need to go south, not north. For your, not regularly, it is for any business deal, it is for any discussion. For that only it can be, or you want to do some good thing, then you can travel Monday towards south, not north. Tuesday towards west, not east. Wednesday towards east, not west. Thursday, southwest is good, not east. Similarly, you need to understand the colors. When you are going for the meeting with your clients, your boss, wherever you go, the color of the dress in the particular day is very important. If you go on Monday, white cream color is very good, but don't wear a green color with you. Don't carry anything with a green color. And Tuesday, go with orange and pink. Don't carry any blue color or black color with you on Tuesdays. Wednesday, go with green color, not at all yellow color. Thursday, go with yellow color, not at all green color. You try to apply and see that how you get results with your meetings. You come with the fruitful discussions. The way this color works for the business. This is, I am applying last 30 years. Even my BNI friends, they follow, most of BNI friends, they follow these rules. when they go for the meetings to get a business, to grab the business or get a good clients or good deals. Okay. And before park your questions with you, I'll take a question answer session. Please, my friends, wait. Now I'm taking another way. This is a business partners. Many people talk about Vastu, astrology, everything. I'm adding value to my special value to my business friends here. Your lucky number versus your friend or business partner date of birth. Okay. Your lucky number versus your date, your lucky number versus your friend or business partner date of birth should be suitable. Then you will go together, good relation, long relation, profitable relation. If you take a birth and 1, your lucky number is 1. You can take a 1, 2, 3, 5, 9, 11, 10, 11, 12, 14, 18, 19, 20. These are the date of birth people will help you a lot in your business. This is another important thing when you consider, if you want to follow numerological way, the way this is another information I can share with you with you all. Your date of birth. I'll take one question from one person who is waving hand. I take one person question to explain. Prashant, what is your question?
So my date of birth is 24th December.
Just 24th. Your lucky number is 6. Your number is 6.
Right.
Your number is 6. Just
right.
See, everything is quiet. Only 6 you can see. I put what I put there. Can you read that?
Except.
Every number I put a very nicely, positively, but number 6 I put separately. Except these date of birth. You can go with anyone. You can get success in your business.
So, okay.
You are clear?
So I can go with these numbers, 1, 3,
No,
9,
you
10.
cannot go these numbers.
Except, okay. Except,
you cannot go with these numbers. This date of birth, people having this date of birth, you cannot go with that.
Okay.
You are clear, na?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll take a next question.
Sashi,
Next question, who is asking?
Yeah, I'm Ravi. I want to ask you, my date of birth is 1st April 1981.
Just only the date is enough.
Yeah, 1.
You can see what are the dates are there. Those the dates is suitable for your partners. When you are looking a business partner or investor in your business, or you invest somebody's business, or you want to collaborate with him, or you want to complement with him, if you know his date of birth, check it. These are the dates is suitable for the collaborator, complement, or invest, or partner. Okay. That is the dates are good.
Okay,
now, then I'll go some variety information here. Some people follow most of astrology when they want to check the compatibility. These are the birth stars versus your partner birth stars. Can you go or not? Another information, if I take a person Ashwini birth star, he cannot work with a Kritika having the birth star. It is very difficult. They cannot go together. This information you cannot get anywhere across the globe. I did my research in my MA astrology, my project I submitted on the employees of 300 people. And I work when I was a director of the company, there are the 300 to 400 people. Then I just checked with the combinations and astrological calculations I prepared this presentation. First time I'm presenting to the people on the slides. I put efforts to get information, apply and check, then I'm putting this information. When you want to check the person star, you want to collaborate, then you can see how your good friends are not. This works with a psychology. This is called psychological astrology. If I take a person name, first letter, and other partners for name of the first letter, I can understand their psychology, how they can go together. Based on the psychology, I give the 3 options: good, bad, not bad. Not bad means okay, you can go ahead. The bad, you cannot. Good, you can go. This is the chart I prepared. this is for everyone. You can see. I can take one example. If anybody ready to ask the question, I can take. If you want to start any partnership business, I can take a question. New person.
Can I take my question?
Yes, Akash, please go ahead.
Okay, so my date of birth is 7th of May 1991.
Please just give only the 7 is the date of birth.
Okay.
The 7 is the date of birth. These are the dates you can go with your partners. Okay.
Yes, correct.
If you want to go in the still little bit micro level, what is your name? Akash, right?
Yes.
What is your partner name?
Suraj.
Suraj. Akash is the Ashwini, the star one. Okay. Suraj comes into the, okay, Akash. Wait. I'll just show that. Yes. As Suraj will come into the Shatabisha. Can you see here Kumbha?
Yes, sir.
The Ashwini and Kumbha versus. It is not great combination, not bad combination. Okay.
Okay.
But what happened here? You both equally good enough to proceed. Okay. Because you don't, both egoistic, both expectations are more, but you don't sync together, but go together. Not sync together, but there no option, obligation, go together. What I suggest these cases, take your wife name or his wife name, your parents name or his parents name, which is suitable. Change the names of the officially and director board of directors or the documentation. You see your business. It excellently works out. What I do for my clients.
Okay, sir.
When a combination of the friend, you are a good friend of you both are very good friends, but yes, good friends are not necessary as the good business partners.
Correct.
If I go, you and me friends, I go to the restaurant, I'm ready to pay bill, or you are ready to pay bill. You don't worry about, I don't worry. But if you are the business partners, I am not ready to pay bill. You are not ready to pay bill. What you say? Hey, give the bill on company name. You don't put a single paisa upon your purse. You are the calculator. You start your calculations. So business partners are quite different from the life friends. So if you want to grow your business, you need to find a person who is the best partner in the documentation from both family members, work permutation and combinations to get the best business. The way we need to work for the business partners. Okay.
Okay, sir.
It also comes into under Vastu sciences, astrological sciences. That's the reason I'm adding this information here for all. Okay. Before closing the things, I have whatever agreed. 5 minutes more, 5:30. I need to stop. I can give 30 minutes of my time for the question answer. Before closing, what is the best things with me? Why you need to listen my presentation? Usually, I didn't introduce myself initially. I take a 5 minutes max to introduce myself. I am only the person across the globe, ISO certified Vastu consultant. This ISO certification having 10,002 means that